What if I told you
that you could start a real clothing brand with just one machine, from home? No factory, no huge investment, and no fashion degree required. Many successful clothing brands actually start small, sometimes in a bedroom or small studio, using just a sewing and embroidery combo machine to create custom products. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a clothing brand with one machine, the equipment you need, realistic startup costs, how to create your first products, and how much you can earn selling embroidered clothing online. Stay until the end because I'll also share a real clothing brand example and simple strategies that help small brands grow into full fashion businesses. The global apparel market continues to grow every year, but the biggest growth today is happening in independent and niche clothing brands. Customers are increasingly looking for unique designs, personalized fashion, and limited collections instead of mass-produced clothing. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest have made it possible for small clothing brands to reach customers worldwide. Many successful brands begin by producing small batches of embroidered t-shirts, hoodies, or boutique clothing from home. Embroidery is especially valuable because it gives clothing a premium, durable look compared to printed designs. Small brands often start with simple embroidered logos or minimal designs and gradually expand their collections as demand grows. The key to this business model is using a sewing and embroidery combo machine. This type of machine allows you to sew garments and create embroidered designs using the same equipment. Beginner machines like the Brother SE625, Brother SE1900, or similar combo machines allow you to switch between sewing and embroidery modes. In sewing mode, you can create garments such as t-shirts, dresses, hoodies, or tote bags. In embroidery mode, you can add your brand logo, custom artwork, or names onto the fabric. Most beginner embroidery machines support embroidery areas around 4 by 4 inches or 5 by 7 inches, which is ideal for chest logos, sleeve designs, and small decorative patterns. To start this business, you can operate from a small home workspace or spare room. A basic setup includes a sewing and embroidery combo machine, embroidery hoops, embroidery thread, fabric scissors, stabilizers for embroidery, and fabric for your first collection. Many beginner brands start production with small batches of 20 to 50 pieces to test demand before scaling. What type of clothing brand would you start with one machine? Streetwear, gym apparel, or custom embroidered fashion? Comment your idea below. The most important investment is the sewing and embroidery combo machine. Typical beginner machines cost between $500 and $1,300, depending on features and embroidery size. These machines allow you to sew clothing and embroider logos without needing separate equipment. Additional equipment includes embroidery hoops costing around $20 to $50, embroidery thread and sewing thread costing $80 to $150, cutting tools and scissors around $30 to $60, and fabric or blank garments for your first product batch costing $200 to $400. Optional equipment like a small heat press or ironing setup can cost around $100 to $200 and helps finish garments professionally. Overall, a basic clothing brand setup with one machine can realistically start with a budget of $900 to $2,000, making it one of the most accessible manufacturing businesses you can start from home. Let's look at a simple product example for an embroidered t-shirt. A blank t-shirt typically costs $4 to $8 depending on quality. Thread and embroidery costs usually add around $1 to $2 per garment. This means the total production cost for an embroidered t-shirt is around $6 to $10. Many small clothing brands sell embroidered t-shirts for $25 to $45, depending on branding and design. That creates a profit margin of around $15 to $30 per item. If you sell just 100 shirts per month, your potential monthly profit could reach $1,500 to $3,000. As your brand grows, you can increase product variety, produce larger batches, and eventually outsource manufacturing while focusing on design and marketing. If you want more guides on small manufacturing businesses you can start from home, make sure to subscribe and check the resources in the description. Starting a clothing brand usually requires minimal licensing compared to other manufacturing businesses. Many entrepreneurs begin by registering a small business or forming an LLC, depending on their country's regulations. Branding plays a major role in clothing success. Choose a clear niche and style instead of trying to sell everything. Popular beginner niches include streetwear brands, minimalist logo apparel, gym clothing, women's boutique clothing, and personalized embroidered fashion. With one sewing and embroidery machine, you can create products such as embroidered t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, ladies' dresses, caps, and tote bags. Embroidery gives your products a premium appearance and can help differentiate your brand from standard printed clothing. Most clothing brands grow through social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest allow small brands to showcase their designs and build communities around their products. Posting short videos showing the embroidery process, behind-the-scenes production, and product packaging can attract attention and build trust with customers. Many brands also launch limited product drops to create urgency and excitement. Selling platforms such as Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon Handmade allow new clothing brands to reach customers globally without opening physical stores. Partnering with small influencers or local creators can also help your brand gain visibility during early stages. A well-known example of a clothing brand that started small is Gymshark. Founder Ben Francis started the brand in 2012 while still a student and initially ran the business from his garage. In the early stages, he personally handled product design, marketing, and order fulfillment while selling fitness clothing online. Over time, the brand grew rapidly and eventually became one of the most successful fitness apparel companies in the world, generating hundreds of millions in revenue. This example shows that many clothing brands begin small, but can grow into major businesses with strong branding and smart marketing. Once your clothing brand begins generating consistent sales, you can scale production in several ways. Many entrepreneurs upgrade to industrial sewing machines or multi-needle embroidery machines to increase production speed. Other growth strategies include buying fabric in bulk to reduce costs, hiring part-time production help, or outsourcing manufacturing while focusing on branding and design. Successful brands often expand into additional products, such as hats, jackets, or accessories while maintaining a strong brand identity. Starting a clothing brand doesn't require a factory or a massive investment. With one sew-in and embroidery machine, some creativity, and smart marketing, you can start producing custom clothing from home and gradually grow your brand into a real fashion business. Focus on unique designs, build your audience online, and improve your products with every collection. The most important step is simply getting started, and the real question is, what design will you launch first?